So now you know how to break down a scene in your script and input. What I want you to do is go ahead and break down your second scene, and I'm going to show you how to input that second scene into EP scheduling right now.
We've added our first breakdown sheet. Let's add our second one. Usually the easiest way to do it is to go up to here, to this button here, and add a sheet. Now you notice the sheet number, this means the breakdown sheet is automatically advanced to number 2. And let's keep going. This will be scene number 2. Now we're interior. Notice this, when I start to type a location, if I've already got the location in the list, it pulls it up. Well, that's exactly what I want. So there it is, Teeny Biggs Bar in Seattle. The other thing is that it's still night, and now it is 1 6/8 pages. And we're going to summarize everything as the young and restless prey on each other. This is also script day. So our synopsis is young and restless prey on each other. This is also script day 1. And let's get down to the elements. Okay, now we have some cast members starting to happen. So let's not add them here. Let's go up to our element quick entry and add them into this window. Okay, first thing we have is a man, voice, a woman, their voices. As we go through the script, we realize we're going to find out who they are. Then we have a blonde chick. I'll keep adding. You do it to yours, and I'll see you back in a minute.